పేరు నువ్వు ఈ పత్రిక పంపించావా?
It was so fabulous.
Hello. Is this Kumudam office?
Tell me. This week edition, give you number.
నాతో మాట్లాడి అమ్నే. సారీ అమ్నే. $10 lakhs అడ్వాన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. డిస్కవరీ ఫోటోషూట్ 2 years కాంట్రాక్ట్ అని చెప్పారు. ఆ పత్రికలో వచ్చిన ఏనుగు ఫోటో చూసి సెలెక్ట్ చేశారు.
Hi, I'm Thomas Peterson.
Who?
Thomas Peterson from the International Photography Council.
Thomas Peterson. Yeah. Tell me, how are you?
I'm good. A lot of things happening. And how are you?
Yeah, going on.
Remember the famous picture the Japanese Maccabi shot some time ago? I'm pleased to announce that photograph has been selected in the wildlife category in the IBC. We'll be delighted if you could come and attend the ceremony. If you could send me your details, I'd forward the ticket.
Are you sure?
Yes. You know what? Personally, I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you.
I'll see you soon.